Hey, what's up guys? Could it be that this is the world's smallest table saw? I don't know, but I want to unbox it and check it out with you guys on this episode of Field Treasure Designs. Can you believe how small this thing is? So I got right to work unboxing this thing just to see what it's all about. So as you'd expect, the manual, and it actually comes with a little grinding blade or kind of a diamond blade for doing some, easy cutting. This is the little miter that you can adjust. It's very flimsy feeling right away. Some plastic here, and I think this is going to be for the guard assembly. And then here's the little table saw. The blade is already in there. I was worried about it cutting my hand, and I just kind of gently took it out, and here it is. So straight out of the box, here's how I'm feeling. It's actually pretty heavy. There's your blade. I had to be careful taking it out because it's attached. And blade change, I'm not sure. Oh, here we go. So there's a knob here. And that gives us, that's it. So it slides away. Wow, super simple. And then there you go. There are no tools to change it. Like I showed you earlier, there's the little grinding wheel there. Use 2 wrenches. Simple. Crazy, man. Really kind of cool. Your little slide here. You can do any angle you want. Safety first, baby. So I have to say, probably not for me. And after putting the guard on, the guard is super cumbersome. And yeah, like I showed you earlier, I mean, it was already hitting and deflecting on there. And so that makes it really tough. And then, yeah, it was bogging down on 1/2-inch cedar, which is just very soft. And so it needed that little balsa wood that I did at the end there. And so obviously for crafting, it's not nothing, it's not supposed to be intense, we're not doing construction and remodeling and all that. But, kind of a fun thing to check out. And I think it's honestly probably too dangerous, even for small stuff. I'd rather use my bigger stuff and use, extra, sacrificial boards, things like that. And this, I just feel like I'm about to snag a finger on this thing. And so, yeah, picture frames, little crafts, obviously designs, modeling, things like that. It might make sense, but I think I'd rather have a miter saw, a smaller one. So yeah, there you go. Maybe the world's smallest table saw, I'm not sure, but hey, I hope you found this kind of fun and enjoyable, maybe even helpful. If you've got any questions, comment below and I'll do my best to respond. Hey, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.